Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Workspace step by step clearly. Type Google Workspace in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Google Workspace link in the search results. Once on the Google Workspace homepage, click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to enter your business name. Fill in your business name and click Next. Next, provide the number of employees in your organization. Choose whether you want to use Google Workspace for personal use or for a business. After that, click Next. Now, enter your contact information, including your first and last name. Provide your current email address and click Next. Select your preferred domain name for your Google Workspace account. If you already have a domain, choose the option to use it. If you don't have one, select the option to purchase a new domain. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your domain, if applicable. Once your domain is set, you will be asked to create a username for your account. Choose a username that you would like to associate with Google Workspace. Decide on a strong password and confirm it. Click Next to proceed. You will now be asked to provide payment information. Enter your credit card details or choose an alternative payment method. Review your subscription plan options and select the one that suits you best. After confirming your plan, click on Start Plan. Follow any additional prompts to finalize your setup. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation email. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.